Stop apps from stealing your data, and it can be done on any Android phone. So you should do these settings. So firstly, go to settings and then look for anything which says privacy. So slowly scroll down and look for privacy. So I have found it, security and privacy. I'll click on that. I'm using Samsung Galaxy Ultra 24 and it can be done on any Android phone. So now once you're here in the security and privacy, scroll down and look for permissions. So I have found permissions. I'll click on that. And here you need to go with the camera, which all apps are using the camera, and the microphone, which all apps are using the microphone. And you can look for the photos and videos. You can check it right here. Let's say if I do not want photos and videos for Facebook, I'll simply click on that and I'll click on don't allow. So you just need to check if you find any unknown app using your contacts or location. Let's say I do not want this, so I'll simply click on don't allow, and I do not want Opera browser to use my location or anything. So you can try this. It should not take much time and it is really very good for your privacy and security. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, then please hit the like and subscribe and do share this video to your loved ones, family and friends. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.